Dear students, a very warm welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope that you enjoyed yourself very well in your summer vacation and also prepared yourself well for your further studies. Students, no doubt that we are interacting better in our classroom previously. But a crisis happened and we maintained a social distance to keep ourselves safe at home. Then we saw a ray of hope as online classes to continue our studies, and now after summer break we are here again to restart our online classes with same zeal and enthusiasm. So, my dear students, before wasting time, let's study. This is your subject teacher of maths. Do you all like maths? I know you all like maths. What are things there in maths? Yes, you will say first numbers. So here we are going to study numbers up to 20. So what's the name of the chapter is? Numbers up to 20. So today we are going to study about the numbers 1 to 20. Today we are going to cover the following topics in this video. So the topics are number names up to 10 and 0. Now students, look at this picture. These are pens. So students, how many pens are there here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So students, what I am doing? I am counting. That means we need numbers to count things. All of you take out your textbook. Keep your books, notebooks and pencil box along with you while attending your online classes. Now students, open page number 6. That is chapter number 1, numbers up to 20. So students, here a short exercise is given. So let's do it. Join the dots from 1 to 20 and color the car. So students, here look at the picture. This is a picture of car. So students, you have to join the dots to make this car and you have to color the car. So students, look here. Dots are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So students, you have to join this dot and color the picture of car. Now students, let's move on to our next exercise. Write the correct number in the circle. So students, here you have to write the correct number in the given blank. The first question is, which is smaller, 12 or 19? So students, do you know which number is smaller, 12 or 19? Yes, here your answer will be 12. 12 is smaller than 19 and 19 is greater than 12. So students, here you have to write 12. Now look at the next one. What comes before 10? So students, do you know which number comes before 10? Yes, here answer will be 9. 9 comes before 10. Now the third one. which is greater, 18 or 16? So students, here two numbers are given. You have to tell which number is greater, 18 or 16? So students, you know very well 18 is greater. So you have to write here 18. Now the next one, what comes after 19? So students, what comes after 19? So let's count number from 1 to 19. Yes, after 19, 20 will come. So you have to write here 20. Now let's come to the last one. What comes between 9 and 11? So students, you know very well 10 comes between 9 and 11. Now this exercise is completed. Let's move on to our next exercises. So students, the next topic is numbers name. So in your previous classes, you had already studied about the counting numbers and numbers name up to 100. So let's discuss about question number A. Write the missing letters in the numbers name. So students, here missing letters are given. You have to complete these missing letters to form number names. So the first one is 1. So do you know the number name of 1? Yes, O-N-E 1. That is already done for you. The second one, 2. So here you have to complete the number names of 2. So T is already written here. You have to write W-O. T-W-O 2. Similarly, in third, T-H-R-E-E 3. In next one, F-O-U-R 4. Fifth, F-I-V-E 5. In next, S-I-X 6. Next, S-E-V-E-N 7. In next, E-I-G-S-T 8. The next, N-I-N-E 9. And the last one, T-E-N 10. So students, you have to learn numbers name of 1 to 10 and you have to complete the missing letters of these numbers name in your textbook and as well as in your copy also. Now let's come to the next one. Question number B. Count and write the numbers name. So students, here you have to count the objects that is given below and you have to write only the numbers name, not number. One is already done for you. So students, look at the first picture. This is the picture of ball. So how many balls are there? 1, 2 and 3. So here the number name for 3 is written. T-H-R-E-E 3. In next picture, these are picture of dices. So students, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 dices. So here we have to write the number name of 8. That is E-I-G-S-T 8. Now in third picture, this is a picture of football and there is only one football. So we have to write the number name of 1. O-N-E 1. Now in next picture, there are puppies. So how many puppies are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have to write number name of 5, that is FIVE 5. So students, these exercises are completed. Now let's move on to next exercise. Now students, let's see what is 0. Kids, let me tell you a story. So students, in the given picture, Rehan and Neha was sitting along a basket, and in basket there were 2 apples. And Rehan and Neha was hungry, so both of them ate 1 apple. Rehan ate 1 apple and Neha ate the another apple. Now students, there are no apples in the basket. In the third picture you can see. So students, now nothing is left in the basket, so there is 0 apple in the basket. 0 means nothing or none, and it is written as 0. So students, do you understand about 0? 0 means nothing or none. Now let's do the exercise. Question number C. Count and write the number of birds in the nest. So students, look at the picture given below. In first picture there are 3 birds in a nest. So you have to count the birds 1, 2 and 3. So you have to write 3 in the given circle, and in next picture you can see 1 bird fly away. So how many birds are left in the nest? Let's count 1 and 2. So students, there are only 2 birds left in the nest. So here you have to write 2 in the given circle. And in third picture, 1 more bird fly away. So students, how many birds left in the nest? There is only 1 bird left in the nest. So here you have to write 1 in the circle. Now in next picture, 1 more bird fly away. So there were no birds in the nest. So nothing is left in the nest. So you have to write here 0, because 0 means nothing or none. So my dear students, I hope you understood this topic very clearly by the help of this video. At last, I can say, dear children, we are here to take care for you, to help you to reach your dream, do your work and share your dreams to us, and helps us to make them true. Thank you. Bye and take care yourself.